Hello, welcome to the training guide on how to submit a clearinghouse request to retrieve comparable information like wages and benefits that have been extracted from public sector labor agreements. The process is easy, and the turnaround time for request varies from next day to 2 weeks depending on the scope of the request and the number of requests pending in the queue. Please allow up to 2 weeks for processing your research request. To submit a clearinghouse research request, visit the website serb.ohio.gov. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Clearinghouse Research Request link found in the blue web page footer. This link is available on every page of the website for ease of access. Before filling out the submission form, please access the Clearinghouse Guide via the link on this page and download a copy. This guidebook provides details about all the information that is contained within the Clearinghouse database. If you want to learn more about the job titles we track or the ways we can customize and filter the results of the data displayed on the reports, please review this guidebook. The Clearinghouse Guide is a resource containing everything you need to know about the SERB Clearinghouse database. Next, we will look at the foremost referenced sections of the Clearinghouse Guide. The bargaining unit codes are assigned based upon the bargaining unit composition. They are used to filter the records by unit type. The jurisdiction and employer type codes are assigned to the employers and can be used for filtering the records. The Clearinghouse Guide contains a list of over 300 job titles that are commonly found in labor contracts. These are the job titles that are tracked within the Clearinghouse database. Please reference this list when requesting specific job titles. Finally, the Clearinghouse Guide contains a breakdown of the counties into regions, which can also be used as a filter when submitting your request. Please note, there is a separate region breakdown for the Board of Ed. To submit a Clearinghouse request, please complete and submit the form shown on the web page. This form gathers your contact info, the types of Clearinghouse reports that you are requesting, and the details about your research request. Please select which of the 4 reports that you want included in the response to your request. The benchmark report displays a salary comparison for each job title. This report includes entry-level and top-level wages, work hours, and the number of steps and step years. The data in this report is grouped by job title. The wage increase report displays wage adjustments and lump sums negotiated in each contract. This report includes adjustments by percent and dollar amount. The benefits report displays economic and non-economic provisions found within each contract. Some examples include vacation, sick leave, shift differential, uniforms, etc. This report contains a page of detailed information for each contract. The insurance summary report displays 1 page of information for each health insurance plan offered by the employer. This report provides information on medical premiums, deductibles, and coinsurance. In the last box on the submission form, please be clear and specific about the information that you are requesting. The information provided in the Clearinghouse reports are generated based on the parameters specified by the individual making the request. For a complete list of parameters, please view the Clearinghouse Guide that can be accessed from the link on this page. The following are some of the criteria that are typically used as parameters to filter the data for each request: employer jurisdiction and employer type, employer population, employer county or region, bargaining unit type, job title. Once your request is submitted, it is added to our internal queue for processing. Let's look at an example of a request using all 5 parameters. All 4 reports are checked: benchmark, wage increase, benefits, and insurance. It mentions cities and townships, a population range, 3 specific counties, the police bargaining unit, and the job title police sergeant. In this example, the reports will only contain results for only police sergeants, not police officers. However, if the request had only mentioned police bargaining units and not specified a job title, once processed, a staff member would reach out to the person to clarify the desired bargaining units, such as, do you want police officer, sergeants and above, dispatcher, corrections officer, or some combination. Now that you know how to submit the form, let's discuss what information is contained within the Clearinghouse database. The Clearinghouse database is a relational database containing information on all public employers in the state of Ohio and their collective bargaining agreements. It contains data from more than 3,500 current labor agreements on file with SERB. It also contains data on over 37,500 historical contracts dating back to 1984. The database contains information on over 2,800 public employers. Over 1,500 of these employers have collective bargaining agreements. The database is updated daily with newly submitted contracts. I hope that you have found this video helpful. We look forward to responding to your next request.